This is the test position for both gravity, against gravity and gravity minimized. We can leave her in the same position. We're just going to change her forearm posture to do a different test. Oh, way to give away the punchline.
Oh, so dirty.
So against gravity now, she's going to start in a full flexion to test the extensors. And she just, with her fingers relaxed, comes all the way up as far as she can, like that. That gives her a 3, right? If I wanted to know how much force I need to apply on the uninvolved side, I do something like this, push up against my fingers, push, 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 push. That tells me how much I need to do. This is usually all we need. Okay? So now I'm going to put her, bless you.
You still have 2 more. Oh, I'm okay right now.
She says she usually sneezes 4 times.
Oh. I'm going to put her about mid-range, which is just elevated like this, okay? I'm going to use my fingers across all the metacarpals like this. Hold, don't let me push you down. Hold, hold, and relax. That gives her 5 to 4 extensors. Okay? Flexors. Just flip her over like this. What are the, one person? Raise your hand. Tell me what are the flexors of the wrists.
I didn't raise my hand and I had to tell you sensors.
I know, but you volunteered. You were close enough for me to hear what you wanted to do. You've now stalled long enough that everyone should now remember the flexors of the wrists.
Try it.
Okay, Lindy.
I have flexor carpi ulnaris,
Okay.
flexor carpi radialis,
Mhm.
ulnaris longus, and flexor carpi digitorums.
Flexor who what's?
Oh, just flexor digitorums.
Flexor digitorums?
Torums? Torum. But there's 4. 4? Oh.
Superficialis.
Oh, yeah. Those guys.
It's like watching a bad accident happen.
Try. I just
So,
have the superficialis and the profundus.
There you go. Okay, good.
Flexor carpi.
Flexor digitorum superficialis, flexor digitorum profundus, ulnaris longus, flexor carpi ulnaris, flexor carpi radialis, right? Some people would throw flexor pollicis longus in there, but we didn't. So. Very nice. So those are it, right? So this is the test position once again. We have her come from full extension with her fingers relaxed. There we go. All the way up into a full flexion, like that. If this were the uninvolved side, now is testing, I would take 2 fingers right across the mat heads in the palm. Go ahead and pull up against me. Very nice. And that would give me, wow, that would give me, done, how much I need to apply. So again, it's not as much as if this were hip abductors or something like that. Keep that in mind. So she went all the way through. She got a 3. If I want to get 4 or 5, bring her just above the table, about midline, about mid-range. Hold, don't let me push you down. Hold, 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 and relax. There's my 4 or 5 number. Gravity minimized for both extensors and flexors. I bring her into an elbow flexion on the table like this. And I just have her come from full flexion, staying on the table, to full extension, from full extension back through full flexion. And I have a 2 measure for both flexors and extensors at this point.
So when she went to extension, her pinky came up off the table.
Let's see it again.
It did.
Okay? We want to keep her in the plane, right, of that motion because the tendency is to want to deviate. There will be some normal deviation with the extension anyway. We just want to make sure she's not doing something that we really would consider a substitution, which would be what? Elbow motion. Okay? That would be a substitution. But if it comes up a little bit, it does.